Hello, good morning and welcome to today's video. So we are in the Wang Lang market and we got here by the taxi boat or the river boat which goes down the Chao Phraya river. Very cheap and easy way to get about around Bangkok, and you can see all the sights as well. And we're just in the indoor market now. We're trying to actually find our way out. I think you're down there. Find a way out to the bigger market, Wang Lang market. I think this is mainly food here. Oh wow, there's lots of people. Yeah, this is all the indoor food carts. So, I think the main market is down this way. Lots of Chinese food, Japanese food. What those are there, like sort of small cakes. Wang Lang, oh, there's apartments. Let's put the glasses on. So it's very hot again today, probably 30, 31 degrees. And that's the pier there where we've just got off the boat, and it's cheap, 40 baht single one way, which is it's about 20 pence, maybe even less than that. You can also catch a taxi, as you can see here, but it's just as convenient to use the boat. Like I said earlier, it drops you off in all the major attractions. This is the hospital, yeah. Okay, let's see if we can find this Wang Lang market. I said taxis here. So if you are in Bangkok or you're coming to Bangkok and you're looking for a taxi, you use the ones with the meters rather than a standard price. It will be cheaper. They don't all use the meters. So before you get in a taxi, ask them if they have the meter. It'll be a lot cheaper. Is this the market? Okay, so this is the market. The bit where we just came out, the part there, that was where all the food courts were. I think it's all sort of bric-a-brac down here and clothes and all that sort of stuff. There's some small cafes as well. So the handbags there. Is there? Okay. There's all the clothes alterations. It's cooler in here, I must say. Tarot? What do you do? Tarot? Read the palm? English? Oh, yes. Oh, okay. It tells you in the future? Yeah? Okay. Maybe later. Okay, thank you. I think that was a sort of like a tarot reading, look into the future type thing. Okay. So yeah, this is the market. There's lots of people around. Let's go this way. Oh, and they have motorbikes coming down here as well, so you've got to watch yourself. Umbrellas. Yeah, it's 150. Oh wow. The glasses there. Reading glasses. That's it's all sort of cosmetics in there, shampoos and that sort of stuff. The handbags over there and watches. Look at the fake watches. Pillowcases. Shoe sale. Shoes. Want to look? Okay, looks like we've got a shoe sale on there. Okay, so the camera just shut down there. It's that's one of the faults with the GoPros. If they get too hot, they either won't shut off, or they just shut themselves down. You have to let them cool down then. So I've just stopped at this little bar here and bought a berry smoothie, 70 baht. The lady's just making it in there. Look, yes. That's one thing. When it's hot like this, it's important to keep yourself hydrated. You've got a little shrine there. Shrine to the Buddha. I've got down there. And I've got everything in this market, from trainers to jeans, food stalls, lots of clothing. And it's all pretty cheap. But let's see if we can find some t-shirts. Oh, she's made it, thank you. She's made the smoothie. There it is, look. So I'm just going to drink this and I'll see you later. Okay, so we are bartering over the jeans here. Oh, they are a good price though. Oh, the motorbike come through. So these walkways, they're quite narrow, and you still get motorbikes coming through, as you just saw. There's another one coming down here, so you have to be careful where you step. Don't know what he's got on the back there. What do we have over here? They're selling the sunglasses. And there is a Watson's, I think that's like a chemist, cosmetics type shop. What is he selling here? Hats. Looks like the sun's gone in a little bit as well. Let's hope it don't rain. Okay, so we've just come out to the market now, back onto the main road. As you can see, there's lots of street vendors here selling a fruit, snacks, and hello, lots of fruit here, mango, pineapples, and there you can see the BTS, another convenient way to travel around Bangkok, cheap as well. Let's see if there's one where you want to go. The BTS don't go to every area, but if it does, it's well worth trying out. Hello. You're going to tuk-tuks. That's another way you can get round on the tuk-tuks. I wouldn't go too far in those myself though, to be honest. Just have a little bit of a walk down here, see what we have. A massage. Oh, it's early afternoon, 25 to 3, so there's no real traffic build-up as yet. Selling there, coffee, the barbers. And you have these little shrines dotted here and there. One's got the Buddha, the other one's got a couple of little statues of the former king. Okay, so that was a little trip down to the Wang Lang market. Now we've just come back. We're on the Khao San Road, close to our hotel. And the ladies watering the plants here. We'll not make sure I trip up over a watering hose. That's our hotel just here, that Khao San Art Hotel. There's two entrances, one on the front there and one down the side. So I'll just take you on a... Thank you. Oh, there it is. This is a side entrance. You can see it there, Khao San Art Hotel. We're going just there. There's a restaurant on the ground level by the reception. And a nice scooter there. Just show you a little bit of what's going on Khao San Road. This is not the main Khao San Road, but there's a couple of side streets just off it. So I'll just take you on a little bit of a tour down there, see what's going on. There's the ATMs where you can get your money. Tourist shop where you can book your tours. This is one of the restaurants, a big restaurant here, and I've never seen that many people in there, to be honest. It always seems a little bit empty. Maybe it's because this is just one of the side streets. Not that many people walk down here. The main sort of area is just where we're walking on there. See, you've got all these sports tops, the trainers there, fake ones. Cheaper down at the Wang Lang market where we've just come from. There's another little tourist shop you can book your tours from, or your transfers to the airport in different areas. And this is one of the main areas of the night time where all the restaurants are. So we'll just have a bit of a walk down there. So people having their meals. I think, no, it wasn't that one. I was going to say we went in that one the other night. Wasn't that one. some of these like little sort of street vendors they have good food, some of them. Not all of them, but some of them. You can see all your usual tourist stuff here. Tops, shorts, t-shirts. Another restaurant there. Beer, big size, 120. Actually, that's good. I was paying 170 last night, so 120 is good. As you can see, you do get cars coming through here as well. You have to be careful, like I said before. And we did have our evening meal in this restaurant just here last night. Food was good, reasonably priced. One just there, I'm not sure what it was called. It was good. You haven't been in that one. Of an evening, it gets very busy down here. It's one of the main roads on the Khao San Road area. You've got the suit shop. One jacket, one trousers, one shirt. $190. And I do believe they say they turn them round in 12 hours. Suit made to measure in 12 hours. $190, I'm not sure. Well, it's probably about, it's a little bit less, isn't it, in UK money? Probably about £170, something like that. And it's still fairly quiet. It's early-ish evening, 4:15. So there's not that many people. Well, there's some people about. Like I says, on the evening, there's a lot more people down here. I don't film down here on an evening. The GoPro doesn't work too well in the night. It just doesn't pick things up too well. Looks very shaky. But in there you got all the K-assist, sports tops. Yeah, taxi's going to run me over here. Thanks for watching the video to the end. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please consider subscribing, like, share and all that good stuff. Watch out for my new videos which will be coming out very soon. Thanks again for watching and bye for now.